What's up, hodlers? It's your favorite nurse, the Bitcoin Nurse. We're back at you again. We've got another little upgrade we're doing to the NerdQaxe Plus. This one is from Bitronics out of Spain. We've got the lovely case, the Bitcoin Nurse. Thank you, CryptoCloaks.com. Custom design. There we go. Pick any color you like. Pick whatever text you want. So what we're doing is a little upgrade specifically to the voltage regulation of this solo miner. That's right here. These three little chips, boards, VRAM I think they are. I'm not the expert here on the circuitry specifics, but I do know based on Bitronics' lovely directional pamphlet that they have on their website, under the cooling, it's under the shop, and I think it's under the miner accessories. They offer Noctua fans for the NerdQaxe miners, and they also offer copper heat sinks. It's not exactly these ones specifically, but they have something similar. I got my stuff off Amazon because I didn't realize that Bitronics had it actually when I got mine, so my bad. But I know now, I'm sending y'all there. You can go to Amazon if you want, if you're here in the US. It's whatever. Heat sinks were like $8, fans 20, I think. So what we're doing, like I said, we want to cool down this miner, and we want to give a little upgrade right here. So we're going to add some copper heat sinks. Like right there. Hey, bam, bam. That's what we're working with. So just wanted to kind of show y'all what we're working with here while we're doing this. These miners get very hot, like anything, computer boards, circuitry, and these are cool. The big Noctua fan helps. The rear fan that I have on the stand that I did another video on helps as well. Also on the back here, these heat sinks, because that's what these are. It's a heat sink, copper heat sink. You can swap these rear ones out for copper as well. I'm not going to do that right now. These are working just fine. Maybe I'll swap them out. I don't want to damage the board, you know, for no reason, honestly, when it's working. So actually, if anything, if I were to do anything here, sorry, Crypto Cloaks, but I would probably cut off this middle support right here, just so this opens up so it's not touching these heat sinks. But I haven't noticed any issues, just me being OCD looking at that. So let's go ahead and get started on this. First things first, copper heat sinks. Need 3 of them for the NerdQaxe++. Pair of tweezers, good idea. Small placement. Also for getting the 3M thermal adhesive backing off. These ones do have the 3M tape on the back, which is you know, superior product in my opinion. American made thermal tape, and it works. I've used it on some other computer components in the past with really good success. So yeah, that's what we're working with. So first things first, what I always do is just kind of clean down the surface area of these chips. Now I already did that with just a little alcohol pad, very lightly. Noctua sells these little cleaning wipes. You know, that's essentially what they are, is an alcohol pad. I just had a box of these, so. But yep, give those a little wipe down. Kind of help with the lighting here a little bit. There we go. And yeah, so just real lightly, we're just gonna wipe that. Okay. And that's just getting anything off, you know, the very top, air, dust, anything before we apply adhesive. To this board, to these chips. So, okay. We'll let that dry. We'll go ahead and get started removing tape. This is also another good reason to have the tweezers. Have fat fingers like me, you're gonna want them. All right. Sorry for all the movement. Doing this on camera is easier said than done. Now these just kind of help disperse heat off the chip, I think it's the VRAM specifically. Bitronics recommends this upgrade, especially if you're doing overclocking or pushing it, you know, to its factory limits, which naturally I am. It's just my nature. If it's an option, I'll probably use it. So you want to have you know, the best cooling you can have and extend the life of the miner. To me, it's a little, I call it an investment. It's potential to get $370,000 if you win a block. It's current value. Maybe a little bit more now that Bitcoin is right at 120,000. That didn't stay on there, right? Let's go back here and do it like this. When you're putting these on, you don't want to press super hard, just light tension. You can kind of give it just a very small twist just to kind of help seat the tape. There we go. Okay. It's not hard, guys. It's pretty easy. Doing it on camera makes it at least twice as difficult. So I appreciate y'all bearing with me. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I appreciate y'all watching. Check out the video description. It's got a lot of good information, links to the manufacturers of the products. I'm not affiliated with anybody. You know, I personally use these products, and, you know, I did my research. Do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm not telling you to do anything. I mean, honestly, you may, more than likely that you're never going to get any financial gain out of running these miners, but it does help decentralize the network, and it gives you an opportunity to win 3.15 Bitcoin-ish, I think it is right now. So, you know, I'm about those odds. You know, why not, right? Better than playing the lottery. That's a dumb man's game. That's my opinion, which you didn't, but I gave it to you anyway. And it's not worth a whole lot, but if you like my opinion, my Lightning address is in the description. Also an on-chain address if you want to donate there. Any zaps are very, very, very much appreciated, even at the smallest amounts. I do this for fun, so, you know, it's not to make any money, but if y'all find value out of this and want to donate, that's cool too, man. If not, that's cool too. Okay. I'm not a professional videographer or YouTuber or anything like that, so take it for what it is. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? I mean, they just stick on. Now, attention to detail is imperative. We got a little problem here. Do you see the problem? Oh, and problem solved. I was gonna get it with the tweezer. It was one of the backings to the glue. So when you put everything back together, make sure everything is clean, nothing fell like a backing. Make sure everything is nice and seated all the way. Make sure your cables are out of your fan's way. Yeah, that's it. Pretty easy. So just wanted to bring this to you. If y'all have the NerdQaxe Plus or Plus, you can do this upgrade. You know, these heat sinks are about 10 bucks. If you do the whole kit from Bitronics with the Noctua fan and the heat sinks, I think it's maybe 20, 25 euros. So, I mean, it's very affordable. Like I said, they don't pay me to say any of this. I bought all of this stuff with my own money. None of this is donated whatsoever. So, like I said, I believe in it. It's really, you know, really high quality tech. So, I appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all got some value out of this. More videos to come. And the Bitcoin Nurse says we'll see you on the next one. Peace.